I'm Alex.
And I'm Ida. From smaller towns outside of Oslo, but we've been living in Oslo for many years before we. So I guess we consider ourselves Oslo people.
Yeah. We've been living full-time van life for almost a year.
And it's going great.
Yeah, cool.
We love it. This is our entrance with our little door sign. In case you're wondering who lives here, this is us. And this is what we call the hallway, where we keep our coats here and just the shoes that are on hot rotation for the time being, we keep them here. And the other, like out-of-season shoes, we keep in the back. And also our little like beanies and mittens and stuff, we keep it in here. We just have a bag of it. Above the door, we have a little curtain holder, which also like works as a, we put our hats here, and on the other side we have our headlamps, also to keep it handy because it gets dark at night, especially in the northern Norway in winter. It's just dark all the time, so our headlamps need to be handy here. And this big cabinet here, it's our closet, and this is where we keep all our clothes in one big pile. We have a very unorganized closet. We keep trying to organize it, and it keeps ending up like this. So.
But you get a lot of stuff in here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's basically all our clothes, or at least for the season.
Yeah.
The out-of-season clothes, we keep it in the back in the garage. We have our bathroom area. This is where we keep like our most used bathroom supplies. Right next to our spice rack. The joy of tiny living.
Nice. It looks organized though. That's really nice.
It has to be, because I mean, van life is generally small for everyone, I think, but it's particularly small for us because our van is very small, so everything needs to have their own little, spot where it belongs, and it needs to stay there.
Yeah.
So it takes us over to the kitchen area, and we have decided that we wanted like a really basic setup. We don't, especially because we spend a lot of time in the super freezing cold winter, we didn't want a lot of like water hoses that can freeze and stuff. So our water system is just basically this stuff here. We just put it up like this, and gravity does the job. Yeah, and we have more water here to refill it. And on this side here, we have our gray water. It's just connected with this guy.
Yeah.
And here in the middle, we have made some drawers. They are quite smart because they have, you can see they have these like pins underneath, or what are they called? Yeah. And they fit into this frame that we built. So when it's in place, it's stuck there.
Yeah.
And over here, this is our propane cabinet. We have one big bottle of propane that we use for both our stove. This thing here, we just take it out and put it up here when we cook.
Yeah.
And also this is our heater that we take it out and put it on the floor when we need it.
Yeah.
Next to this cabinet here, we have our pots and pans. And this is just basically one long, it goes all the way in underneath the bed here, where we keep our, plates and that stuff.
Yeah.
And over here, I need my little prop. This is the magic wand to create a table.
Wow.
Yeah, this is also, you can see it's a cabinet where we keep stuff that we aren't using every day, but quite often. And then this magically turns into our table here. And so one person can sit here on this, which also holds our fridge inside. And the other person can sit on this little chair. And you can see it's loose, and we just keep it mounted to the wall with those strings. And this cabinet here, it's actually a magical, these guys, they are a magical cabinet because they are long cabinet. because we are ski people, we needed a place to put our skis. Since we live full time, we need to fit everything we own into this van.
Did you put your skis in there?
This is our skis here. You can see them sticking out in the end.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we take them out that way when we need them. But here it's closed for another cabinet where we keep our food.
Yeah.
And our mugs is one of the things we use the most, and our coffee filter thingy. So the coffee stuff, it's always handy. And also fruit and vegetables. We usually don't like to keep it in the fridge, and it takes up a lot of space in the fridge anyway, so we have it here.
Nice.
At least in the summer. In the winter in the winter we don't have any
Fruit.
fresh produce. Because it just freezes.
And what's the thing with all the wires in the roof?
This is our clothes rack. When we have done laundry, we have to hang it up here, which makes it very annoying to hang out in the bed, because then we have laundry hanging all over. But we try to do it outside when we can, but in winter we don't really have a choice. We just have to dry our laundry in here. And it's humid and annoying, but we make it work. Yeah, this is our bed. We have a fixed bed. Because we live full-time, we realized that we will, for starters, we need all the storage space under the bed. So we can't afford to have like a large floor space and then like a couch area. And also we realized that we will probably not bother to pack it out and pack it back, you know, every time we want to sleep. So we have prioritized to have a fixed bed. So this is our couch, and this is where we spend all our time, really.
Hang out.
Yeah, that's where we hang out. This is like the service side of our kitchen, where we can, you know, change our water, empty our grey water, take out the trash, and fill up the propane. We have our little grill here.
You have a grill as well?
Yeah, this is our barbecue thing.
Cool. Nice.
And also it's like a place for, you see, empty beer cans and some more little propane thingies. And
Yeah.
this is actually very handy. It makes it very easy when you need to change the propane and the water.
I will show you the garage part of the car, and where we keep all our stuff that is not in like daily rotation. We have all our hiking gear, like the small backpacks, camping chairs, fishing rods, skateboard, and we have all these plastic crates with clothes from the other season, which we are not in now. We have our ski boots, our snowboard boots, roller skates, and we have more layers.
Yeah.
So we have hiking gear. Behind the backpacks we have our snowboard, sleeping bags, helmets.
Get a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah, we can fit a lot of stuff.
And it looks organized when you have your boxes.
Yeah. Up here you can see the tips of our skis. They're sticking out right there.
That's awesome.
We have set up our lives so that we can keep living like this for as long as we want. We can be full-time travelers for the rest of our lives if we want to. But we didn't want to make it like a project that needs to be fulfilled in a way. So the moment we're tired of it, we will do something else. But for now, we're happy.
Yeah.
I guess it's the same for all van lifers. The main thing that we're all looking for, I think, it's that freedom. The freedom that you can go anywhere you want and stay there as long as you want.